So now we will see pagination in CSS. So guys, basically pagination helps to display the limited results on the web page across the various pages in the same view, and this we are going to check with the help of examples as well. We will see how we can create the pagination section so that the user can navigate through the different pages on the same view on the web page. So guys, first of all, let us see how we can create the simple pagination. So let us move to the VS Code over here, and simply we are going to create a div tag with the class pagination in this case. So guys, we have the div tag with the class pagination over here, and let us add certain links in this case so that the user can click on that link in order to navigate through the different pages. So guys, over here we have the a tag with the href attribute. We can provide the hash character over here, and simply we are going to number the pages. So guys, this is the first page, and so on we are going to create more pages over here. So as you can see, we have created the pagination div tag over here, and it is having 7 links in this case. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser, and let us see how it looks like. So as you can see, these are the links that the user can navigate to. Now guys, we can also add the previous and the next arrows over here. So simply I'm going to copy this line of code in this case, and then what we will do is we will use the special character in this case. So guys, we have the special character that is less than symbol, which will be displayed twice, and then at the end as well we are going to create another special character over here. So guys, this special character will be the greater than symbol, which will be displayed twice. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, these are the arrows over here, that is the less than symbol and the greater than symbol, which will represent the previous and the next pages that the user want to navigate to. Now guys, apart from this, let us get this pagination at the center of the page. So what we will do is we will have another div tag over here, and then we will have the class as a center in this case, and then we will end this div tag after the pagination tag over here. So guys, simply we are enclosing this pagination tag inside another div tag, and then in this case we will align the text at the center. So guys, let us move to the style.css file over here, and simply we are going to have the class name that is center in this case, and then we are going to say text align it is equal to center. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, these are the pages inside the pagination div tag. Now guys, we can also remove this text decoration which is coming by default over here. So simply we are going to move to the style.css file in this case, and then inside the pagination we need to go to the a tag over here. So simply we will say pagination class in this case, and then inside this we have the a tag, and then what we will do is we will have the text decoration as none. Also we will provide certain padding over here. So let's say we have a padding of 5 pixels so that there is enough space in between the page numbers. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, now the pagination is looking more decent over here. Apart from that, we can also have the color for all these text. So let's say we have the black color instead of the default blue color for the link. So as you can see, we have provided the black color text for all the pages inside this pagination. Now guys, apart from this, we can also have the hoverable pagination, in which case when the user hovers over one of the pages over here, the background color can be updated so that the user gets the feedback that that is the page number that he or she wants to click. So guys, what we have to do is simply inside the pagination we need to have the pseudo element that is hover. So guys, inside the pagination class we have the a tag, and for this we are going to create the hover pseudo class over here. So guys, what we want to do is we need to change the background color. So let's say we want to change the background color to aqua over here. So basically when the user gets the mouse cursor on this a tag, so the hover pseudo class will help us in order to update the background color to aqua. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser, and when the user gets the mouse cursor on these pages, as you can see, we are getting the background color updated to aqua over here. So guys, this is the hoverable pagination that we can create based on our project requirement, and then when the user clicks on any of the specific links, simply you can provide the required href attribute over here, the URL that you want to call based on the page number that the user has clicked on. So guys, this is the way that the pagination will work. Apart from this, we can also have the active page color over here. So let's say the second page is active right now. So what we can do is simply we will have the class over here, and we will say active as the value for this class, and simply when the user clicks on any of the pages, you can set the class for that particular page as active and remove the class from this particular active page over here. So guys, what we have to do is inside the style.css file, simply we need to update the background color for this specific page, that is second, which is having the class equal to active. So guys, what we are going to do is simply I'm going to copy these lines of code over here, and then inside the pagination we will have a tag which is going to have the active class over here. So I'm going to remove this hover pseudo element and simply we will say a dot active in this case. So guys, basically whatever CSS properties that we provide inside this particular selector, it will be only applied to the a tag that is having the class active. So guys, what we want to do is, let's say we want to update the background color as green yellow over here for the page that is active. So currently we have made the second page as active over here. So let us see how it looks like. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the active page right now, and when the user goes to the other pages over here on hover, the background color is getting updated in this case. So guys, in this way you can also have the active page color. Apart from this, you can also have the hoverable transition effect. So guys, in this case on hover there is no transition currently, but we can provide the transition so that there is certain kind of animation that the user experiences. So guys, over here we can use the transition CSS property, and then simply we can use the background color because that is the CSS property that we are changing on hover event, and then we need to provide the timing. So let's say we provide 0.5 seconds in this case. So guys, basically what will happen is there is no background color by default for the a tag, but we are changing the background color on hover event. So that background color will be updated to the aqua color within the time span of 0.5 second instead of 0 seconds which was present by default. So guys, let me just save this file now. You will experience that the background color of the a tag will be updated to aqua with some transition. So let us reload this page once again on the browser, and when we get the mouse cursor over here, as you can see there is certain transition that is fade in and fade out of the background color for all these a tags over here, which is nothing but it is representing the pages inside this pagination. So guys, you can have the transition effect over here, and then apart from this you can also have the bordered pagination in this case. So guys, basically we have not provided any borders to all these pages. So what we will do is simply inside the a tag we can have the border CSS property as well. So when we provide border of let's say 1 pixel of the type solid, we can provide the color as gray color over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, all the pages are now getting the borders over here, but guys, there is a space in between all the borders for all these pages. So what we can do is simply we can use the float property in this case, and the value should be left over here. Let me just save this file now. So this is used in order to remove the border spacing in between the two borders of these pages, and when we reload this page, so as you can see there is no more spacing between the borders of all these pages over here. So guys, in this way you can apply the borders as well, and this type of pagination is looking more decent over here along with the borders and the hoverable effect in this case. Now guys, apart from this you can also apply multiple other CSS properties to all the pages inside your pagination div tag. You can have the rounded pagination as well, in which case you will be using the border radius, and you can also provide the space in between the link by using the margin property. So guys, I'll leave this up to you as a homework for you so that you can practice on your own, and based on your project requirements you can apply any of the CSS properties for all the pages inside your pagination. So comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is multiple columns in CSS. So stay tuned.